Hello everyone, I am Avery Clyde Masuhid from the Bachelor of Science in Aerospace Engineering. Currently, I am also the President of the Engineering and Architecture Student Executive Council, and I'm also the Interim School of Engineering and Architecture representative to the Samahan Central Board. And sir?
Hello everyone, I'm Anthony John Christopher Casto. So I'm a civil engineer. No? I graduated in Ateneo way back 2016. I'm also a former School of Engineering and Architecture representative way back 2015, 2016. And currently, I'm affiliated with the Department of Public Works and Highways, working as a project engineer. So, married with one kid.
1 minute, tapos
1 minute.
kinsay pinakataas nga makabuhat, makabuild og kuan.
Tower, no?
Oo.
Sige.
Sige.
Challenge mo ako pagka-CE.
Ready na tong timer?
Ma-challenge ako pagka-CE.
Okay.
Kasi matumba ako ang
Sige.
tower.
Ready na? Sige sir. 3, 2, 1,
2, 1.
go. Alam, nurog ko.
Pasmado eh ako.
Strat na ako. Ala. Ala.
Longest ba? Longest ba? Or wala? Turugan ako yung kita sa camera. Challenge ako pagka-CE. Uy, di ka na kaya. Oh, di na niya kaya. Shit. Tapan na lang. Wala na din foundation na dito. Longest na lang dito na. Ay. Oh, mas tagal siya nagamit. Nagtukog ako, sorry. Sorry sa mga CE.
So, kinsa man
Sorry
eh.
po. So, unsa man, Merg? Sa ba?
So, ano to ni
decide?
pag-mesh? Okay.
sige.
So, ako ang...
So, ikaw ang winner. Ikaw, mas
So,
taasin
ikaw.
mo o mas gwapo yung mukha ang Gibraltar Tower. Naulaw ko sa akong pagkasiida. Anyway. There was a lot of lessons learned also in that transition. So, it was hard. It was difficult. Again, as a young professional in public service, no? Kasi you put yourself as a public servant eh. How do you deal with residents? Di lang yung residents yung you deal with. Meron pa yung office mates mo. You deal with the contractors pa para i-fulfill ang trabaho, no? So, daghan kay ka gina-manage ng tao ba? And dili lang ang work ni may mong focus, but there are a lot of works and it was very difficult. But at the end of the day, sabi ko nga, just like the image kanina na it's a cycle. Pag start, maglisod ka. But there were sunny parts because you completed the project. And yun yung masaya at some point being a public servant and you finish a project. At some point, madaanan mo ngayon dyan, uy, kami nagkalsada ani diri. Kami nagbuhat ani na building, ginagamit as basketball court sa students. You know, it's a motto ang sunny part of it. Motto, you find joy na you finish a certain project and hopefully kana more impact ang mabuhat gani nimo for the public, for sa imong trabaho, sa imong sarili, you know. At some point mubuhat ka og isa ka butang or you do something because it's not only kay para sa ilahan no, but also for yourself, fulfillment sa imong sarili ba. No? So I think that's the part na where transition ako, how did I transition, and sa akong feelings about it, and then the image about it ba. No, if I could compare.
I feel very much honored to be here with you, to sit with you. Kay ako actually, kay aside sa murag mahimo na siyang means para sa tuwa nga maka-resonate ta with other engineering students nga mo possibly makakuha nani or kaning makakitaan ning ato ang project. I feel very much um I feel so grateful to sit with you, especially in a time wherein I feel like I needed it the most.
Mm.
Considering I'm a graduating student, I also handle EASEC, I also had a thesis. I mean, still having my thesis, and then also while juggling my other activities and also my other siguro curricular activities nako, it is so I think you came in the right time for me to also process my feelings as a graduating student, as a senior nga wherein I mean as a senior gina-imagine gyud nako nga when I was a freshman pa, I always
Mm.
think about my seniors as a fully lit candle
Mm.
nga murag when they start to when they're at the end of the college journey, like they're ready to go, they're built for everything. But one thing I learned in college is that we came in here nga pantay-pantay tatanan, and when I got to the point nga ako na nako sa my fourth year of college, I'm the person that I look up to 3 4 years ago. Feel na ko, di pa ako ready maka-let go. Di na ko ma-imagine ako ang, kuan nga, hala, wala na ko yung orgs next year. Wala na ko yung, kuan, wala na yung EXA next year. Hala, wala na ko mga class, wala na ko yung assignment. Char. Wala ko yung assignment next year. Kadto ang lisod sa ko, imagine nun nga, i-let go na ko. What am I after all this? Although Ateneo has already prepared me for that. I know nga I've had a lot of journeys, challenges na overcome na nako, pero what am I after? There's this question nga mag-recurse ako. Although I have the answer, but I can't stop the thought. I can't stop the idea. What am I gonna do afterwards?
Because when I graduated, nag-A-rep ko. I've been doing a lot of volunteer work, no? Dili sa Ateneo, and then sayang nga because I've not been part of I think Arupe is one of the volunteer orgs dili sa Ateneo, and I'm not been a part of that. And then I would want unta pero 5th year na ko nakabaloan na. So too late. So but kato lagi I've done volunteer work. I think that time, if ma-remember na ko correctly, we went to Bukidnon. Because of the kami ang magpagbabahagi namo for EA-Rep, no? That's a Christmas activity that we do every time, like Operation Shoebox that time. And then the uso pa man nata ang EA Fair. Do you still have EA Fair, di ba?
Importante EA
Oo.
Fair, sir.
We have that EA Fair, we have that raffle. And ang beneficiary for that raffle was the school in Bukidnon. I don't know if part na bagyapon to the Ateneo support that school still, no. But mao to ang gipili na mo na beneficiary, and then there I love the volunteer work. That's why pagtrabaho na ko, wala pud ko'y outlet.
Oo.
Just like nag-eskwela ka, akong trabaho that time, eskwela na. Wala 8 to 5, sulod ko, uli ko. Wala ko'y outlet. No, marag kani ba, eskwela ko na ko i-rep, mo ni akong outlet. So, mo to ang time na I started, buti na lang in-invite ako. I started to join Junior Chamber International. And years went by. I volunteered, dami akong ginawa, community service, training with members, going around the Philippines, learning, meeting new people, connections mo ba. So, mga akong naging outlet. And last year lang, I was the president. And I can say, mura po siya i-rep na ko na journey. Nag-copy na akong journey that I learned so much again.
For me lang po, Sir Hake, I really could also resonate with you. I feel like you are the right person who came in the right time. Kado, sir, katong ingon ni mga thesis. And the same with you po, sir. One thing lang po nga I love about being in Ateneo lang po, sir, kay katong engagements na to sa community.
Yeah.
Kay one thing po nga ako ang ginapanghawakan nako as an aerospace engineering student, not yet as an engineer. Hopefully an aerospace engineer. Kay ang always ginapangita nako in everything that I always do. What is this for? Who am I working for?
Yeah.
after all this, para kay kinsa ni tanan. And number one, God. And then number two is ang community nga atong ginaserve.
Try to find that zone lang pod ba, where you can be doing something out of the, out of the ordinary na marinig eskwela lang ko. If you have time,
Oo.
and if you have the resources to do that, no, go outside the classroom, do some volunteer work. Do some volunteer work. A lot of things you will learn. Yes, ma-compare ka, but at some point, they do not know the journey na nagyagihan nimo. And, kaya nabasa po na ako, unsa daw to ingon nila na ang kinabuhi di man daw karera.
Yeah.
Bini song dito. Karera, no? Ano daw it's not a race. We have our own time. It's always sorry, but it's always a pleasure to help your community. Lahi gid. Okay. If I may share lang po. This is the first project I did. Community project I did with JCI. Way back 2020. Pandemic. We built a solar-powered water system for the community. Raised own funds, find sponsors to fund that. After ato, lisod yun to na community. But they're always, kada adto na mo, magpakaon sila. Kato mga butang na dili nimo kabayaran. Kato ang butang na dili nimo kabayaran ba? And to tell you, you're doing your profession. That 5 years na nag-eskwela ka, the impact that you did in the community. Wala may nagsweldo ato, wala may gibayaran ato, but that's di siya kabayaran. And I hope young people would find that, no, I hope that young people will do that ba.
As for me, po sir, no, kay Koan, I really do find hope in people like you, like the ones who are also in service, especially the ones in the public government, because it is kanang, yes, we understand nga kanang it is very much evident nga, I mean, I see hope in people nga naga-step up, and not just to steps up, but also to those nga naga-aspire para i-transfer ang ilang light to some other people. Nga, I appreciate the fact that we are also here po, sir, nga nakastorya ta, nga ako diriya nga transition, nga ako ma-relate ako ang current status, and for me to foresee the next few years of me, and then for you to also resonate and to also give your insights po, sir, sa nahitabo 10 years ago, like what ano ding SCA.
Do you think what's your direction 5 years from now?
Karon, sir, na doon ba na naka-question tungod sa imong question. Koan, 5 years from now, sir, I mean, in my current position, in my current state, my
And
status.
knowing that you'll be claim
Oo.
it na to, manifest na to, you'll be
Oo.
graduating with high
Oh.
honors.
Graduate. Koan, ang ako lang, sir, kay kanang at this point I'm still, although there were things man gyud nga na-establish, na-achieve na ako for my college journey, but still at this point murag gusto nako mukapa pa same po sa imong giingon pud ganina, sir, nga transcend, gina-radiate na ko akong energy, not necessarily lang po sa council right now, but I join in this, I join in that, I join in this, with the hopes of finding myself. Kaya it's one of the things that has been challenging me since I started my 4th year.
So, actually, nakot off guard sa yung question, but I'd like to rephrase that. Why do I
Oo.
continue going? Kumbaga, okay. Milisod kayo para kanino ka bumabangon. The answer to that right now is, syempre, my daughter. Number one, I believe na one of the most important things when you do something is not to impress anyone, but to find that self-fulfillment in you. No? As I continue to, for example, sabi mo kanina, you try to ask, magplato ang person, and actually, it's very timely pod na naingon nimo, say, feel na to, pasaka ta.
Oo.
Nagplato na ta,
Mm-mm.
baba ta, makabalik ba ka tagsaka? Because right now, I'm really at that stage of my life ba, na nagplato ko, wala na ko ikasaka, and I feel like I'm going down, but I think, sabi ka na kanina, no, na hope ba? What do you hope for? Because I believe that if we continue to hope, we will continue to live.
Mga to, final na to. Last na go. Ay. Thumbnail. Okay.